Diaper Dekor Plus Pail, Sage by Diaper Dekor is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Diaper Dekor Collar Plus Pail, Sage. Add a splash of color to your nursery. The original Diaper Dekor Plus hands-free diaper pails are beloved by parents everywhere. Thanks to the step and drop function, which make them the easiest to use, and the ABS plastic which does not absorb odor like cheaper plastic, Dekor is truly the best system on the market. Now the Dekor Plus is available in an array of beautiful decorator collars. Easy to empty when full, easy to install a new refill when you run out, and the convenience of a continuous refill liner which allows you to use just the amount you need, reducing waste. A handy lockout hidden under the top cover helps keep curious toddlers out. A large opening will easily accommodate larger disposable and cloth diapers, not just tiny newborn diapers. Pop the diaper insert out when you are out of the diaper stage and you can continue to use your Dekor as a beautiful trash can. Many users like Dekor for pet litter boxes too. Features: hands-free, step and drop function, ABS plastic, large opening for diapers, lockout feature, turns into trash can be used for pet litter. Product weight: 6'4". Dimensions: 24 by 15 by 11 inches. Convenient, easy and sanitary way to dispose of dirty diapers. Hands-free design: just step on the pedal and drop the diaper in. Unique trapdoor system helps to prevent odors and germs from escaping. Largest capacity of leading brands and 5 designer colors. Exclusive ABS plastic doesn't absorb odors.